Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change wallpaper in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings. Then go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on wallpaper. And these are all the system static wallpapers. Okay, just select any other wallpaper. And I select this one and click on apply, and here you can choose from these three options: apply to lock screen, then apply to home screen, both. That means apply to lock screen means only this wallpaper will be applied in lock screen. If you select second option, apply to home screen, this wallpaper will be applied to only home screen. Okay, home screen wallpaper only changed. Okay, if you select both, then both home screen and lock screen wallpaper will be changed. I have selected both and see the changes. Yes, both wallpapers have been changed. Okay, again I go to settings and go to lock screen and wallpaper, and here click on wallpaper, and these are only static wallpapers. You have changed static wallpapers already. If you would like to set live wallpaper, yes, you can do it. Click on live wallpapers and select anyone. Similarly, click on kinetic wallpapers, and here you can select anyone. Okay, first I select live wallpaper and I select this one and click on apply. Click on apply. Yes, it is applied. Okay, yes, see the changes. Both wallpaper will be has been changed. Okay, live wallpaper is set. Okay, suppose if you would like to use a photo as wallpaper, yes, you can do it. Again go to the same settings, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on wallpapers, and here select static wallpapers. You can also download some wallpaper from internet, but it is it's not free to use. Okay, it is purchasable. Okay, and now I show local images. Okay, how you can set your photos wallpaper. Okay, click on local images, then click on your photo and click on here you can choose whether this wallpaper should be applied or on home screen or lock screen or both. Okay, I select both and click on tick mark and see the changes. Yes, the selected wallpaper is in home screen as well as lock screen. So in this way you can easily set your wallpaper whether to apply to home screen or lock screen or both. Okay, suppose if you would like to bring back default wallpaper, again go to the same settings, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on wallpaper, and here select this first option and click on apply. Then select both. So both wallpaper is now in default option. Okay, so in this way you can also change back to default wallpaper if it is required. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.